Meet James and Alice. Two neighbors both looking for solar. It's 2019, so James knows the smart way to get solar is with DroneQuote. Alice, living in the past, doesn't know she could save a ton of time and money by skipping sales presentations. She's doing things like they did in 1992. Meanwhile, James uses a technology called the internet to access DroneQuote.net. In the time it takes Alice to dial her telephone, James collects the details he'll upload to DroneQuote for accurate quotes. Alice now sits through sales pitches, while James takes an online meeting to discuss his options. Poor Alice still has to make sense of her proposals. With his extra time, James did some light reading and a little practice. He even found some time to put in a workout. Be smart. Be like James. Spare yourself the time, hassle, and inconvenience of buying roofing or solar. Visit DroneQuote.net for competitive quotes from installers near you.